Ready to ditch boring backgrounds and create a timeless plaid pattern that will make your digital art pop. First, let's open a new canvas in Procreate and pick your base color. This will be the foundation of your plaid. Now, create a new layer and, using your preferred brush, draw vertical stripes of varying widths and colors across the canvas, spacing them evenly. Next, make another new layer, and this time, draw horizontal stripes, again playing with colors and widths, ensuring they intersect your vertical stripes to form the classic plaid grid. The magic happens with blending. On each stripe layer, experiment with blending modes like multiply or overlay to create depth, and where the colors intersect, tweak the opacity of your stripe layers to fine-tune the color intensity and create a more subtle or bolder plaid effect to your liking. To make your pattern seamless, use the cloning tool to duplicate and tile your plaid across the entire canvas. And there you have it, a beautiful, custom-made plaid pattern ready to add a touch of timeless textile art to your digital creations. Don't forget to experiment with different colors, stripe widths, and blending modes to create your own unique plaid designs.